Alrighty, quiet on the driver's stand. Marshals be ready, drivers ready, on the turn. Good start, good start. Oh.
Did you turn it off? The other side.
Who's in the lead?
Mark, followed by Justin.
Mark just coming up over the doubles now.
Yep, Mark's over there. Here comes Justin. Thank you.
Okay, Mark leading around. Justin, Brent, Thad, Rick, and Jr. Oh, we got a good battle up front here. Justin giving Mark all he wants. Go get him, Thad. Oh, you get that back down. Okay, we got a minute 45 gone. Mark, Justin, Thad. Leaders going into the double triple section right there, right now. Second place behind him. Yeah.
Hey. Thank you.
Okay, times have gone. Mark, Justin, Thad. Looks like we got a little space team. First, second, third right now. Battle looks like fourth and fifth. Going down the straightaway right now. Oh, Rick got a little sideways. Mark's got about a 3.5 second lead over Justin. Oh, off the berm now.
Who's in the lead now?
Yeah, looks like Justin's in the lead. Mark went off the berm. Minute 45 to go. Looks like we'll let Thad get back in a little bit, maybe. Justin with a 29-2 last lap, minute and a half to go. Coming around to the Sharks team. Over the double. Second place going over the double. Ooh, poster put time. Justin, Mark, Todd, Rick, Jr., Brent. Here's the order. That's your 1 minute time. Leaders going through the Sharks team again. Oop. Seconds to go. Justin in the lead by about a second. Not that anymore. Mark's right there. Right there. Going over the double-double. Good battle, half a second between them. Down to 5 seconds, this will be their last lap. Brent's down. You go by. Oh, it was about him. Mark got by him. Oh! Justin. Yeah, he made it.
Is that the end of the race?
Okay.